Howdy do, Ben Coton here again, and welcome to another video. In this video we have the unboxing of the mystery guitar pedal. I exchanged this pedal for a guitar with my friend Kai Crean, and just to say thank you before we get to the unboxing, thanks Kai, much appreciated. Hopefully it will turn out well, so let's get to it. This came all the way from Ireland. That's Southern Ireland, not Northern Ireland. And I put an advert on Facebook, one of the Facebook selling pages, to see if anybody was interested in purchasing my guitar. And hopefully I'll be able to put photographs on this video of the guitar. And Kai responded to my advert and said, would you like to exchange it for a pedal? So I had a quick look on the internet about this pedal, and I was quite happy to do that. And we have some nice bubble wrap here, and we're going to be able to slide it out. Can we slide it? Come on baby, come on! No, it's ripped. There we are. Slide! Very good. It is revealed. We have a TC Electronic Skysurfer reverb pedal. Okay. Let's not. Oh, it's a lift off. So taking the lid off, this is what we have inside the box. So some nice protective foam. There we are. And it's just looking at the front, it's very nice sky blue colour with 3 knobs and a switch, and it's true bypass, so that's very good. There's a reverb dial, a mix dial, and a tone dial. There's also a 3-position switch. Top of the switch is spring reverb. Then in the center we have plate reverb, and at the bottom we have hall reverb with a little LED at the top in the center there. And on the top of the box or the pedal we have a power input 9-volt DC and an input and an output, all metal casing. And on the back we have a piece of Velcro, which is this little black square there. Let's have a closer look. There we are. That's better, isn't it? So that hopefully will stick on, if you've got the other half of the Velcro, to the pedal board if you have one. So there's a closer Look. Very good. So there we are. Thank you again to Kai Korean for your great pedal. Stand by for a first look at the pedal and a demonstration. Hopefully it will be good. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you did, and please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Kai Korean, you are a legend. I hope the guitar serves you well too, sir. Yes, whatever you may wish to do with it. Thanks for watching. Be nice to each other. Goodbye.